Welcome back as we next discuss the term called housekeeping. There is an old expression that says, "A place for everything and everything in its place." For example, the correct place for oil to be is inside its container or in a machine, not sploshed all over the ground as is so often seen. The right place to store items such as jugs and grease guns is in a cupboard, not left lying about, again a common problem. A lubrication store, service bay or work area can be made a lot safer to work in if it is clean, tidy and free of oil spills. Grease and oil on floors is a hazard and the cause of many accidents. Take the time and trouble to clean up when you spill. After all, it may be you who gets injured. Have paper towels or cotton waste available to wipe up small spills. For large spills, have dry sand or sawdust available to cover and soak up a spill. Then sweep the area, placing the sand or sawdust into a suitable waste bin. Place metal drip trays beneath leaky taps or under leaky machines to stop any oil spreading all over the floor. If you are an operator and you notice lubrication or oil leaks on your equipment, report this to your supervisor. Don't just leave it to become a hazard. As a serviceman, keep all nozzles or delivery outlets clean and dry. Don't let oil and grease become a dust and grime collection point. Finally, a warning about oily rags and waste. It is common practice to simply throw old oily rags into some kind of container or a heap out of sight somewhere. This is a dangerous situation. Oily waste, rags and paper create a fire hazard, especially if they're piled up in a heap. After a few days or so, the waste will begin to decompose or rot. This process produces heat, which will soon develop into flames. The only safe way to store oily waste is in a closed metal bin. The bin should be kept outside and away from anything that could burn. In this program, we have looked at typical personal protection procedures, basic handling of equipment, and we've covered some important points about housekeeping from a safety point of view. No matter where you work, in a factory, a service bay, or even on construction equipment out in the open, it is your duty to work safely and responsibly with lubrication equipment and products. Join us again as we bring you further programs designed to improve your knowledge and skills in basic engineering practices.